Hello and welcome to this video on Autodesk Fusion basic features. Okay, you do not need to follow along with what I'm doing today. Okay, but I just want you to sit and listen, and I'm going to take you through some basic features of Autodesk Fusion 360. Okay, to start with, there's a couple of key points that I'm going to go through. Firstly is this ribbon at the top. Okay. Secondly is this cube here on the top right. And thirdly is the small ribbon down here. Okay. Firstly, the ribbon at the top. Okay. We can click the Create Sketch button, and you can see that in Autodesk Fusion, to create your designs, you should be working on 3 different planes. So just like in maths, the X plane, the Y plane, and the Z plane. Okay. For the purposes of this today, okay, I'm going to click on, I think this is the Z plane. Okay, and I'm going to click, and this now takes us into the 2D area. I'm going to click a rectangle. I'm going to click across here. Okay, just going to make a standard rectangle like this. Click again. Okay. And then I'm going to press enter to finish my sketch. I'm going to finish sketch there. I've also got the extrude button here, so I can click extrude. Okay, and then it's going to ask me if I'd like to extrude my shape either in this direction or in this direction. Okay, for the purposes of this, I'm going to press that, and I'm going to go over here and press OK. And now I've made a shape, made a sort of cuboid shape. Now, if I want to look at on the other side of it, okay, I need to go over here to my cube, and I can rotate what I'm doing, okay, by just dragging the cube in the top right. Okay. Equally, if I was to click the corner of the cube, it takes me to the corner. If I was to click the side, it takes me to that side. If I was to click the top, it takes me to the top. Okay, and that's the same. Okay, if I go to, let's click here, the back, and it flicks through to the back. Okay, all these views, okay, can get a little confusing, but the one that always stays the same is the home view. So I'm going to click the home view, okay, and that will take me back to home, if you like. This ribbon down at the bottom, okay, also has a few functionalities that are useful. Okay, firstly, the orbit. Okay, I can click orbit, and then I can just orbit around by dragging my mouse. Okay, to get out of that, I can either click, I just need to press escape. Okay, I'm going to press home to get myself back to this normal place. The second one that's quite useful is pan. Okay, if I click pan, I can pan from left to right. Okay, by just dragging my mouse. Okay, I'm going to press escape one more time. Now, I'm going to press home again. Okay, and I'm going to now create a sketch. And I'm going to create a sketch on the side of my shape. Click. Now, this is taking me from a 3D panel into a 2D panel. And you can see what's at the top here has changed again. Okay, I'm going to go more into that a little bit later. But what I'd like you to do is just go to your Autodesk Fusion, have a little play similar to what I've just done, okay, and go from there.